Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble a whiskey barrel like this one so that you can reuse the staves, the hoops, or even the top for some of your DIY projects. Now, I'm going to show you not only how to disassemble it, but what tools you're going to need as well, and what some of the differences are between a bourbon barrel like this and a wine barrel, which is in some cases slightly different. And I'll show you what those differences are and how we're going to take this thing apart. So let's get started. The tools that we're going to use for this process are a hammer, a chisel or chisels. Now I happen to have two, but one will certainly suffice. And then a nail puller. And while this isn't required, I find that it's exceptionally useful when we remove the nails. Now, I mentioned that I was going to explain the difference between a whiskey and a wine barrel. So let me show you something. So more often than not, it's wine barrels that have the hoops tacked in like this one. It's not to say that it's unheard of to have a whiskey barrel that has the hoops tacked, but nonetheless, the process for removal is going to be the same as a wine barrel, which again are more commonly tacked. So what I'm going to do is use a chisel, and you can use a screwdriver if you prefer, to hit the side of this tack on either side. I'm going to kind of keep banging it until it loosens up. And then I'm going to use my nail puller to get in here, remove the nail, and then I'm going to use the wider chisel. And if you don't have a wider chisel, that's fine. You can use the smaller one to tap this hoop toward the narrower end of the barrel to get the hoop to drop. We'll do this. And again, these tacks are on either side of the barrel here. We'll do that for all 6 of these hoops, and this thing should just fall apart. With the tacks now removed from the hoops, it's time for us to use our chisel to knock these hoops toward the narrower end of the barrel to get them to slide off. So I'm just going to kind of work my way around the barrel, tapping with this chisel in an upward motion to get these things to pop off. And that is how you disassemble a whiskey or a wine barrel. Now, the smell is absolutely unbelievable if you're a lover of either of those two beverages. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.